The first step is to take your book and fold it so that the color is on the outside. Line up a corner, hold it in place, walk it down all the way to the edge, and crease it. Walk your finger all the way down this crease to make a nice sharp edge. Then open your paper back up. Take that top edge, we're going to fold that down. Find a spot, line up the edge, and walk it all the way down. Now here is where we need to take the book. We're going to take the book, we're going to set it spine touching the fold crease and almost all the way up to the tippy top. See how it's almost there? That's what we want, like so close. Then we're going to go to the bottom here, and we're going to take the paper and we're going to fold it on top of the book. Okay? But we do want to be careful that this edge is still lined up. So line it up and walk this all the way over. Take the book out of that pocket and set it on top. Now it should fit just right. Okay, and now we're going to make sure that the spine is again lined up just at the crease. We're going to take this edge and fold it on top of the book pages. Open it up. Take your pages of book and take just that last page and tuck it into that little pocket created in the folds. Make sure that's good crease. Now fold that pages all the way on top again like that. And now we're going to take one page over here and open it flat. And we're going to do the same process. So we're going to take the book pages. We're going to fold it over top of the book so it lines up, but we're not folding the paper. Crease it so it's nice and good. Open it up. Take that just single page and tuck it into that pocket. If you did it right, you should have 2 pages in the pockets that don't come out and pages in the middle that make your sketchbook. Write your name on the front and you're all set.